Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add your top songs of 2021 to your profile on Spotify. So select your top songs of 2021 and select these three dots here, and then you're just going to select add a profile, and as you can see, your this playlist will now be displayed on your profile. So if anyone wants to see my top songs of 2021, it will be displayed on my profile. Before I click that button, it won't be displayed on my profile. It's just going to be hidden for you. But to hide it again, just click the three dots and select remove from profile. Sorry, I don't know why I'm not saying the words correctly, but yeah, there you go. That is how you can display your top songs of 2021 on your profile. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!